When you're standing on the road, you can observe it when you open your windows or doors at home, and when you take your box, you'll be seeing like this line, and it will be having a perpendicular line. You observe where it is here. You have a plenty of example around your perpendicular lines. That English alphabet T is one. It is any another alphabet with the illustrated perpendicular. Consider this edge with the postcard and edge with a perpendicular. Similarly, you will be having AB and MN. AB and MN. So it will be the perpendicular line. Here it is CS students. Here MN is a perpendicular to AB. Okay. That AB is perpendicular to MN. Like this will be will be later on writing. Depending upon this, you will be having a problems. Okay, students. Which of the following are more to be perpendicular line adjacent to the top of the table? This and all I'll be solving and I'll be telling for you people. Exercise everything I'll be clarifying you people. Now we'll move to the classification of triangles. This is very important in this chapter. Okay, students, using the protractor ruler, find the measurement of the sides and the angles of a given triangles. Fill the measurement in the given in the table. This is a triangle. Okay, we using the protractor, we have to measure it. Okay, students. If we measure, we'll getting some of the angles. I'll tell you what is the described here. We record, see here in the triangle, based on the sides, in the triangle, based on the sides, we have three type of triangles. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? A triangle having all three unequal sides. So, all the sides are unequal. All the sides are unequal. So, all the sides are these two the example. All the sides are unequal. By taking your scale, if you measure this side, and this side, all the sides are unequal. That is represented as a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means unequal. All the sides are unequal. In a triangle, how many sides you have? Three. So, in the all the sides are unequal means it is a scalene triangle. A triangle have two equal sides is called as an isosceles triangle. Yes. See here students, here to here to here to here to. See these two sides are equal. For example, it is 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. Here also 4. Here also 4. If you have 5, 5. Not exactly 4 and 5. It may be varied. Here 7, here 7. Here 6, here 6. 8, 9 also. Depending upon the figure they have what we measure it. Okay, fine. It is here isosceles. Isosceles means you have only two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal. Equilateral. Equilateral in the name itself is specifying that equal means all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal means it is an equilateral triangle. See here students, you have here two. First one, in this two triangle, you have two sides are three sides are what is which sides are for a scalene triangle, how many triangles are, how many sides are equal or unequal? See in scalene triangle all the sides are unequal, where in the isosceles only two sides are unequal, where in the equilateral all the three sides are equal. Here students, you will be having like this. Next, we'll move. This is the based on the sides. We have a based on the angles. So each of the angle less than 90 degree, the triangle is called as acute angle triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, this is a right angled triangle. Okay, if one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees, this is called an obtuse angled triangle. See here, if each angle is less than 90 degree, if you compare this here, this each angle, this is represented as the angle, student. Each angle is less than 90 degree. It is called an acute angle triangle. Where one of the angle is 90 degree, it is an right angled triangle. If it is more than one of the angle is more than 90 degree, it is an obtuse angle triangle. You have to know that all these three sides are, yes, less than 90 degree. This is called an acute angle triangle. If one of the side is 90 degree, this is a right angle triangle. If you have more than one of the side is 90 degree, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Clear, student? Now, based on this, we'll be having to solve the problems. That is 5.6. I'll be solving this and I'll be representing what is this and all. Next, we have a quadrilateral. See, a student, in a quadrilateral, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quarter means how many side? How many? Four parts. So laterals means sides. Quadrilateral is nothing but you have a four side. It is called as a quadrilateral. In a triangle, you see, observe this. Here, this is a triangle. How many sides you have? Three. Where quadrilateral is you have more than four sides. We represent as a this is quadrilateral. More than four sides. It is in a polygon. Sorry, it is in polygon. We represent as a four sides. Quadrilateral means you have four sides. Clear, student? Based on this, we'll observe this figure. See, AB, BC, CD, DC, AD, AB, BC, CD, DA or AD. We represent, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and you will be measuring the four angles also. If it is the angle, you have four angles, you'll be having four sides also will be having, and you will be having a BD as a diagonal. You have a BD as a diagonal. Diagonal means a line from B to D. Okay, student. And based on this, we'll be having so many where we'll be using this. Okay, I want to introduce the next one. It is, yeah, where and all will be getting these four sides of a quadrilaterals. Okay, you are aware and which are the figures we represent the four sides. Here see a rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus. Okay, students, these are the figures will be represent and trapezium. Okay, now I'll be taking the set square where we'll be using, till now we are not used the set square in your geometry box, correct? So now we are using this set square. See here, this is a, what is this? This is a rectangle. One more observed property of a rectangle, you can see opposite sides are equal length. The opposite sides, these sides are, will be having a equal length. Okay, student. And what is other property? Can you find out? We'll be finding one by one. Okay, first you see, observe the figure. See here, this is a rectangle. You'll be having opposite sides length will be same. Here, how many sides you have? Four. What is the shape of this? This is a square. all the lines will be remaining as